Hello everyone. Here I am going to discuss about the how we can alter the IV characteristics of solar cell. This is the solar cell IV characteristics curve. Here I take it as like a x-axis parameters and y-axis parameters. For example, I just take it as the voltage on one axis and current on x-axis. Sorry. Voltage on x-axis and the current on y-axis. See here, in the measurement of solar cell, we measure the open circuit voltage and short circuit current. Open circuit is nothing but in the circuit diagram. As we know that the circuit diagram is take it as like this is the solar cell and we take it as like voltmeter parallel and ammeter in series and variable resistor, and here we are take it as the white light and white light fall on the solar cell, and the mechanism, because of the mechanism the charge carriers are generated. The charge carriers generation changes the current and voltage values. Here we are applying the different load resistance to observe the relation between the current and voltage. For example, if the circuit, here the circuit is open, here the circuit is open, there is no connections, then obviously the current passage in this circuit is 0. This the current value is 0. Whatever the voltage in this process is take it as the high open circuit voltage. Here the open circuit is, I hope it is clear, the current is 0. Where the current is 0, that should be take it as the open circuit voltage. And here the load resistance, I just remove the resistor and I connect the direct metallic wire. There is no variable resistor and I just given the short. There is no restriction in the moving of charge carriers in the circuit. This situation is called as short circuit situation, and at that moment the voltage difference value is 0. So these are the, just imagine V is exist but the current is 0. V is exist but the current is 0. That is target as the take it as the x-axis point, and similarly current is exist but the voltage is 0. That is take it as the y-axis point. Here I take it as the y-axis point is ISC and here it is VOC. So in between there are, because with the variable resistor values, the different set of current and voltage values are exist. Here when you join all these lines, when you join all these lines, the curve is like VI characteristics of solar cell. Here this curve area, how we can change the curve area or the VI characteristics. For example, here the distance between the light and the solar cell. Here the distance between the light and solar cell, if it is nearly approaching or it is far. So based on this, if it is far, the curve area is like this. If the distance is far point, the curve area is like this. If the solar cell is near to the light, the curve area